Hello and good morning from Cracow International Airport. It's Chris here. It's 6 a.m. in the morning, pretty early. Today I'm flying to Frankfurt with Lufthansa, and I'm gonna review their economy basic product on their Airbus A320 aircraft. So stay with me and enjoy the video.
Sämtliche Gesetze verpflichtet sind, den Lieferschildern, Leuchtzeichen und Anweisungen.
So we are already 20 minutes in the flight, and as soon the captain turned off the fasten seatbelt sign, the cabin crew started their service, and it went really quick. We were served with the sweet buns. Looks nice, but I guess it means that there is no warm breakfast on today's flight. It's gonna take only 1 hour 40 minutes actually, so probably that's because why they're serving only those sweet buns. So 10A is my seat on today's flight. It's just in front of one of emergency exit rows. That's why I do not have a recline in my seat, but it's pretty comfortable. It got nice leg room, foldable armrests, tray table, and So I have just made it to Frankfurt, so it's time to say a few words about this flight. I was flying Lufthansa for the first time ever, using their basic economy product. The seat was really comfortable. It had recline possibility, not mine seat, but every other seat had recline possibility. Pretty nice legroom, snack and drink service, and really nice cabin crew. Thank you so much for watching this trip report. I really hope you enjoyed it. If yes, please leave a thumb up, subscribe not to miss the next video, and see you guys in the next trip report, which I will upload pretty soon. Bye!